Chelsea9. Yes, 9 like the number, and no, I did not make this up. So today I did a purple pizzazz. I've been seeing this really fun like 60s look on people's Instagram, social media of all forms. So I wanted to see if I could do it. This was my finished product. So if you want to accomplish this look too, keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to get started with my face makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with my Jebo Cosmetics. And I'm going to put that over the main parts of my face, like so. Do you see the difference? Oh my lord. So now my skin tone is like super evened out, and it's like the best face for my face. Okay. Oh. There we go. Okay, so now that we've got that down, I'm going to get out. Actually, I got in my Ipsy bag this new Tarte, well I don't know if it's new, but it's called Tarte Ave Princess, and it is a waterproof bronzer. It's just like this little dude. So I have been using this Tarte bronzer. I like it as far as it's very pigmented and it is the right color for me. However, it's almost like too look. So it's like, it's not, it doesn't go on very well. Like, maybe it will today. See, it's almost like too pigmented. The thing, see, like, I feel like I'm painting myself. The thing about bronzer that I like about the Too Faced white chocolate or whatever is it doesn't feel like you're painting your face with bronzer. I'm so pale. Oh, there goes my cat. I'm so pale that I need to like use bronzer as a way to like look like I'm not a ghost, but at the same time I don't want to like, see how crazy that is. Like, I don't like contouring my face, but I feel like I almost have to when I use certain bronzers because, like, come on. Sometimes I go in with this little guy and I just go around to like blend it better. Okay, so now that I've bronzed, and it obviously looks a little weird, but I've done my bronzer, but it's bled a little bit and looks like a little too much like of a contrast. So I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, try to make it look a little more natural. It already looks better, and then I'll go in with it later to fix it. Okay, so next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I use the Benefit Gimme Brow in color 5. I usually get my eyebrows tinted, so they're a lot darker. Okay, so today we are doing a purple matte eye. I'm going to be using my Zodiac palette. This is like the first Zodiac palette that they made. I've bought this like a million times. I'm going to be using this extremely obnoxious purple color. It is the Gemini. I have never used this color before, so let's hope it looks good. Well, first I'm going to go in with the matte color that I always go in with my Semi-Sweet Chocolate palette, Too Faced. I go in with the coconut cream color, and I just go over it underneath my brow. Okay, so I'm going to now go in with that color, the purple. So I just got this brush the other day in my Ipsy bag. It is adorable. I'm not sure what the brand is. It is Firma. go right into the lid. Oh well, lots of fallout, so I'll have to deal with that. So I'm just creating that like 60s shape, like that wing here, and then building. Okay. I can never ever build eyeshadow like in certain areas, like right here hates me. See? Just like, oh, right there it will go. Okay, so now obviously look like a psychopath. And I need to kind of try and... My eyes are definitely two different shapes, so like you can always tell by my eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm going to blend this out a little bit on the top with this other new Luxie brush that I just got in my Ipsy. So I hate the way it blended out, and I want it to be a little bit more like 60s like liner. So I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm gonna clean up here, here, and I like messed up royally, so I have to fix it a lot, but it's okay. Yeah. This one I didn't do too bad. I'm gonna be very careful because I know this is a lot of fallout. I'm just gonna kind of pat some new stuff in. This is very hard to do on camera. I need to blend this out, but I want to do it in a way that keeps the shape. Down for now, but I'm gonna change it up. Okay, and now I'm gonna blend this one out now that I've got the shape better. And this one I always have trouble right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this darker color here, which is Taurus. It's the Taurus matte. And I'm going to take this one. I'm gonna use this tiny little flat brush here, and I'm just gonna go right. Okay, and then this one didn't come out as nice, so gotta clean it up. I don't absolutely hate it anymore. This one's up way higher than this one though. That's the dang chef. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in, like, they're still totally different shapes, so I'm gonna fix this. but I'm gonna try and do it with. I have never drawn this shape. Like I kind of do every day, but it's like totally different than this 50s look. So, and this is actually kind of difficult. I didn't think this was gonna be a hard makeup look, but it's proven itself to be. And I'm gonna do this one because I can't find my other one. This is a flat brush. This actually might work better. What I'm trying to do. I see what's going on right there. Okay, so I'm going to try my best to not mess this up. This eye is always like a little bit lower. Because of my eyes are, I guess. So it's, I can never get this. Actually looks really good. It's still not the same, but let's see if I can get it the same. I'm a perfectionist. It took me forever, but I think I got it. So, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this brush again, and I'm gonna take that dark color, the Taurus, and I'm gonna create an eyeliner. Eyeko liquid eyeliner, and I do not do liquid eyeliner anymore, so here we go. I think as good as it's gonna get today, folks. And then I know in a lot of them they do like eyeliner on the bottom. I'm not gonna go all the way because I already did the purple, but I want to connect those two. It actually came out really good. I'm really proud of myself. All right, let's see if I can follow this line. I'm gonna put on some blush. Go back into my eyebrows a little bit since they've gotten a little bit faded. So now I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop lippy liner. It's just a nude. It's BFF, I think. Now there's that. I'm going to go in with my mascara. I use this amazing, it's called Clean Color Famous Lash. It is aloe vera. And while that dries, I'm gonna flip these. I don't like to wear false eyelashes because I have really long lashes, and if you got it, flaunt it. Okay, I'm actually really impressed. Like, I thought it was gonna be a bomb. I always do. I always doubt myself when I'm in the middle of doing something. That's pretty much for the makeup. I'm gonna do my hair really quick, let this settle, and then I'm gonna decorate my eyes. the cutie. So I'm just going to add a little bit of volume with my not your mom's dry shampoo. I didn't wash my hair today, I washed it yesterday, but it still looks good, but I like the volume it gives my hair. So, alright, look at this. So this is me, and I'm going to put on some accessories really quick, and then I'm going to finish the look, and I'm so excited. It looks really good. So I added some earrings. So now, just to finalize everything, my highlighter still. So I'm just gonna put on my Estate. Can't see, it's a Estate, like it's called Gimme highlighter. It's my favorite highlighter. I'm gonna put it on my nose. A little bit right there. Actually, you know what? I just remembered I also have this super fun purple highlighter. So it's called Nomad. It's really pretty. It's like duochrome. So let's go for it. I'm loving this look. Okay, so lastly, I've seen a lot of people putting like fun jewels. This is like a little trash, but some fun jewels like along them. So I have these, like, I don't know if you can see these ones right here are like purpley. They're duochrome as well. So I'm just gonna see if I can do this. I don't have nails anymore, so this may be easier, but it's just not doing everything. Oh my god, I love it. I look crazy. Okay. The other side. Yay! So this is the finished look. I'm really proud of myself. In all honesty, like for a while there, I thought this was gonna be a fail tutorial, but it came out really good. So yeah, this is the finished product. I'm kind of living. Alright guys, yeah, so this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did like it to like it, comment, and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos like this and different kinds of videos. I have lots of cool things in store for you. Thanks for watching, guys.